Hi, my name's Gregg here at Worcester Technical High School in Worcester, Mass. I'm a welding instructor, and today we're going to begin our series on die grinders, and we're going to use our Norton Die Grinder kit we have here, and we're just going to go over the very basics, just the beginning of using this grinder. So with our Norton kit, it comes with this cartridge roll-up with this certain grip, but you can also buy accessories that have different grits in them. I like to call them fruit roll-ups. You may not know what this is, but if I said fruit roll-up, you'd probably go grab the right tool. And that, you can get into all the little nooks and crannies. It comes with a carbide burr. It has this shape. It's kind of like a little bit of a point, but they have different shape carbide burrs. They have rounder ones, different shapes for whatever application you may need. If you wanted to hog out a little bit more material, you'd use a carbide burr. I call it a rotary file because it looks like a file and it spins around in the die grinder. And what's really cool about this, in this particular mini grinder, is this is variable speed. So you can start really slow with this and then work your way up, because if this goes too fast, it may kind of rip out of your hands. So if you could start slow, that's really nice, and go really soft. And then you can get into these corners as well. For this particular project, I probably wouldn't use this. I would use that cartridge rolls because you can kind of go nice and soft with it. But maybe if I was going to work on something like stainless steel or aluminum, I might use this. And last but not least, the mounted points, which also come in different shapes and sizes and different grits. Where the mounted point would get all the flat areas. So that covers the basics of the die grinder. If you haven't subscribed yet, do so now so you don't miss me and the rest of our series.